Hey, this is a quick video about how this, or something similar, might just save your job. So, this video is really intended to help you with those annoying problems that you keep having. You're going through some code, you can't follow the logic properly, and what's worse is it's your own code. How can you kind of get out of your own head? One thing that really helps is to sleep or come back the next day. But that's not always possible. You might be running on a deadline. Another alternative is to ask a colleague and run through the code. It's superb, it's brilliant, they can help you out. But if you're on a deadline, other people within your team might be on the same deadline. And what if you're a solo coder? Well, that's where RubberDuck debugging comes in handy. And it doesn't have to be a RubberDuck. Anything you have around, even just running through the problem yourself, like you're explaining it to someone from the very beginning and checking your assumptions. So you have to perhaps go right to the very beginning. You might have to extract your code into a small demo project. But when you're doing that, thinking through the problem, you're more than likely to come up with a solution and stop falling into the same way of thinking that, after all, will have got you into the mess in the beginning. Why is it called RubberDuck debugging? It's the idea of explaining something to someone, challenges those assumptions, and makes you realize what it is that you don't understand. Because if you have a bug or there's a problem you can't solve, at the core of it, you won't be understanding the problem as well as you might. Debugging is one of those things that can take a lot of a programmer's life to approach. And ideally, you're doing pair programming wherever you're coding and you're working with someone else. But that's not always possible. And where it's not, a rubber duck, a cuddly toy, the dog, the cat, they're all useful in talking through a problem. And why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want to make your life easier? So I hope this video has really helped you out. And I'll see you next time.